Hello, so today is Friday and I'm craving pizza. I want pizza, but I want good pizza. You know what I'm saying? I want Italian pizza. And that's very difficult to find here near me. But there is like a little food truck pizzeria that's called Mozzarella Mia Pizza. Love the name. And everyone has been saying that they like it, and so I was thinking about trying it today since it's my birthday weekend and I want to try different things and new things. So I thought I'll try that and take you along to see if it's good or not. But this hair right now, I did my hair, washed it recently, and it's so flat. I don't like my hair to be this flat. I gotta flip it over and try to get some volume in here, you know? I'll see you there. Okay, so I flipped my hair over and did a little headbang for a little while. And now I look like I have more hair. Great. Look what I see. We have a peacock in the premises. Super cute. So he's not shy at all. Not shy at all. He could go right next to you with no problem. He loves playing peekaboo. Peekaboo. Okay, so we brought the pizza back home because it was late and I'm super hungry and it looks delicious because it looks very saucy and cheesy. Let's see. So I love the pizza. The pizza, it's fantastic. It's very delicious. I love it. It's really good. Now I'm gonna try the little garlic bread they have here. They look very, very soft and fluffy. And it has like an oil on it and it's supposed to be of garlic, so I tried it. It's quite fluffy, but I don't really taste the garlic that much, so I could pass on these. They're not my favorite, but the pizza is really good. today I thought I'd go and have like a dinner somewhere or eat something light and have a few drinks and stuff like that. And it's kind of overcast a lot actually. And it's been drizzling on and off, so I don't know if it's gonna rain. It looks like it is, but I don't know. So I'll go there to where I have in mind, but if it starts raining, then I'm gonna have to go somewhere else. So we'll see what happens. Join me. Okay, it is officially my birthday, and I was thinking about getting breakfast in a place that I haven't been before. And I have like two options that are new to me, and I want to try and see if they're open. The reason I say that is because here in Puerto Rico, a lot of Puerto Ricans celebrate Three Kings Day, and today is Three Kings Day Eve. And since it's Three Kings Eve, a lot of places don't open, or the few that do open get really packed. So hopefully I will find a place that's open and that it's not that packed. So wish me luck on that. If not, I'll go to another place that I've gone maybe only like twice and it was pretty good. So let's see what I find open. I finally went to see Nosferatu and I loved it. It was so good. So this is my outfit of the night. I had fun creating this look, this makeup look. I love it. I used the Glam Light X Kiss palette for that, and then this is my outfit. So thank you for joining me this week, and I had fun, and I hope you're having a great day or night whenever you're watching this, and I will see you on the next video. Bye guys, take care.